Hi, I'm Tim Swinburne. Welcome to Tri-State Marine. Today we're going to be going over the Parker 2820 XLD. Now this boat is equipped with a deep V and nice bow flare for an extra dry ride. Moving at the bottom of the hull, notice this boat's also equipped with the bow thruster and the West Coast style bow rail for extra safety when moving forward. This boat is 28 feet from the center line and a 35 feet 9 inches from the pulpit to the back of the engines. Let's climb aboard and I'll show you the rest of the features. Welcome aboard the Parker 2820. Right now I'm standing on the swim platform. If you look over here, you'll see the boat is powered by twin 300 Yamahas, which will give you an optimal cruising speed at around 30 miles an hour and a top end speed at around 50. Walking through the transom door, you'll notice that it securely shuts and locks behind you. Staying with the transom, you have an insulated fish box which drains overboard and a live well. Below that, you have your raw water washdown, and on the port side, freshwater access. This comfortable aft lounge chair is big enough to sit 2 people, and this cockpit area is 82.5 square feet. On the gunnel, each gunnel has 2 rod holders, coaming pads, and tow rails with extra rod storage underneath. The coaming pads and tow rails provide great safety and comfort when gaffing a fish or reaching for a line. Notice the cockpit is illuminated with LED lights which light up the steps moving forward. Great handrails all the way forward. Up top here we have the rocket launcher with the LED spreader light. Lockable pilot house door. And on your starboard side, you have your second station. Dual throttle controls and your secondary bow thruster control. Now this second station is great for fishing, troll fishing, or in close quarters when docking a boat. Moving into the cabin, you'll notice you have your galley package, single burner stove, fresh water sink, and a refrigerator. If we move towards the helm, you'll have your GPS 1040, your Ritchie compass, your Yamaha engine gauges, and your Jensen radio head, which is Bluetooth. Windlass controls right here, your Lenco trim tabs, throttle station, bow thruster controls. Now we also have the VHF radio. Both windows on your starboard and port side have vents and closable, lockable. Your windshields, both port and starboard, open up for ventilation or close to give you better security. Moving towards the V-berth, you will see that we have an electric head and cushions that turn this into a great sleeping area.